Hey gorgeous, welcome to Wendy Style. We have the style that will help to boost your hair's natural movement. Like it's a style that will give your hair that shape it wants. It's a style that is modern. It's a cut that will add those soft edges and make your hair look so beautiful. Take a good look on this style and see how this haircut is really versatile and it's ideal, for every black woman. It really makes your styling much more easier, and you can see how this haircut will help to build volume. It will help to outline your face and give it that polished look even without that heavy feeling. It's a haircut that will even help you to look beautiful and make you maybe giving you that perfect transition whichever way you're moving. So this is a cut that will really give you that facelift, and a cut that is great for balancing your forehead. It works both for all kind of face shape or forehead or whatever. So I love this haircut. Try to use the right texturizers. They will help to lend your hair those natural movement even without excessive layering. And one thing about the style is that you can try to have a salon visit, sometimes on those lazy days, like when you can't be bothered to style your hair. If it's the first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video, and let us know your minds in the comment section below. Don't forget to let us know your mind. Don't forget to hit the like button. God bless you guys. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.